Welcome to week 5, part 3. Wrap a circle. To start, we will review on the equations of a circle. So if we have standard form, it will be x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equal r squared. And we know that a, b is the center, the coordinate of the center of the circle, and r is the radius. And how to rewrite the general form into the standard form. We will root the x squared with the cx, and then we root the y squared with the dy, and then move the e on another side. And remember the method completing the square we use, or remember that we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equal a plus b all squared. It's similar with the negative here. And if we do that, we will have break this one into x squared plus 2 times x times c divided by 2. We do c divided by 2 because we can cancel with the 2 in the front. So that makes it cx. It doesn't change anything, right? And then we have the y squared. Do the same with the y. So plus 2 y d divided by 2 equal negative e, right? Now we have to add both sides by c over 2 all square. This one is d over 2 all square. So now we're adding on the right hand side well for that too. Alright, now because of that, on the left hand side right now, we will have x plus c over 2 square plus y plus d over 2 square equal minus e plus c square over 4 plus d square over 4. And we know that this one will form r squared. The common mistake in this type of question is when they're asking for the center of the circle or the radius of the circle. First of all, we forgot that if we have 9, we have to rewrite at r squared. It means we have to rewrite at 3 squared, and then r equal 3. R always positive. If it equal to 0, what happens? If r equal to 0, it means you have a dot. Right? Just a dot. That is number 1 for the r. And for the negative number, remember in the formula, we always have the x minus a and x minus b. Alright, so if you have some negative number, or you have like the plus sign right here, it means your b have to be negative. So be careful about that. So to wrap a circle, we'll need a center and a radius. and it's easier to see those informations in standard form. So look at question number 13. We have x plus 2 all square plus y minus 5 square equal 9. And this is the standard form of this circle. So we will see how can we read this one. Alright, so we have that x right here, but now plus 2, right? This one is have to be negative. It have to be negative. So it means a is negative 2. Now we have y here, minus, so b equal 5. How about the radius? 9 is equal 3 square. So I can rewrite as x minus 2 all square plus y minus 5 square equal 3 square. So that's how we have our A, our B, and R. So negative 2, comma 5, and R equal 3. Now how we write it? We have to find the center point first. So negative 2 is here and go up to 5. So the center is negative 2, comma 5. Okay, that's point C. And now for the radius, we have the radius of 3, so we count up 3 units. Okay, on the right 3 units, down 3 units, on the left side 3 units from the center, and then we just connect those points. Alright, radius of 3. So for these questions, we will see like a little difference because we don't see any number go with x squared. So what does that mean? It means x minus 0 square, right? Because x minus 0 is x, so it doesn't change the x squared term. And then plus y plus 2 square equal 25. So now we have rewrite one more time, x minus 0 square plus y minus negative 2 square equal 5 square. Now we have A, B, and R. A equals 0, B equal negative 2, and R equal 5. So we say 0 here and negative 2. This is our C. And from that C, we count up 5 units. And then we count to the right 5 units, left 5 units, and then down 5 units. Now we can connect those points to make a circle. Alright. So this one is 0, comma, negative 2. and then r equal 5. So for this questions, given the general form of equations of the circle, so we have to change first, or we have to rewrite it into the standard form. So we will root of the x term together. This will be x squared plus 6x plus y squared plus 10y, and we subtract 30 both sides. So this will be negative 30 on the right hand side. Now we rewrite it one more time. X squared plus 2 times x times 3 plus y squared plus 2 times y times 5 equal negative 30. And to complete the square, we have to add 3 squared both sides, and we add 5 squared both sides. Now we can rewrite it x plus 3 all squared plus y plus 5 all squared equal negative 30 plus 9 plus 25. We rewrite one more time. X minus negative 3 all squared plus y minus negative 5 all squared, that equal negative 30 and 25 is negative 5 plus 9 is 4. And 4 is equal to square. So now I will have negative 3 comma negative 5 and r equal to. How we write this? Negative 3 from here and then negative 5 down here. This is our C, and then the radius is 2, so go up 2 units, left 2 units, right 2 units, and then go down 2 units. Then we connect those points. Similar for this question, so we rewrite it. We group x together. Now minus 2 x times 1. Then we add y squared minus 2 times y times 8 equal, subtract the 64 both sides. So minus 64. Now to complete the square, we add 1 square both sides. We add 8 square both sides. So now we can rewrite it. X minus 2, x minus 1, all squared plus y minus 8 all squared, that equal A squared is 64, subtract 64 is 0. Now we're left with 1 square. So the center will be 1, comma, 8, and the radius of 1. So we find 1 and then go up to 8. This is our C. Radius of 1, so we go up 1 unit. One unit around the center. We'll have the circle. Okay, for the next questions, we also do the same. We have x squared minus 2 times x times 3 plus y squared plus 2 times y times 4 because of ay. We break that down into 2 times 3 times x, 2 times 4 times x. Then we subtract both sides by 21. That equals negative 21 on the right hand side. Now we complete the square by add 3 square and 4 square both sides. Now we rewrite one more time. X minus 3 square plus y plus 4 square that equal, this is 9, this is 16, that 25, 25 subtract 21, you have 4, this is 4, and then that is 2 square. Now we rewrite one more time. X minus 3 square plus y minus negative 4 all square that equal 2 square. So we find that the center is 3 and negative 4. The radius is 2. Now we find 3, x equal 3, then go down 4 units. Here is our center, and then the radius of 2. So 2 units around the center. We connect them. So number 18. Now it's in the standard form, so we just rewrite a little bit. So x subtract negative 5 all square plus y subtract 4 square equal 3 square. Now we have the center is negative 5 and 4. The radius is 3. So negative 5 here, go up 4 units. Hit our center, and then 3 units around that center will be the circle. Okay, number 19. We'll root the x squared. Remember the 6x will be 2 times 3 times x. 14y will be 2 times 7 times y. So it will be minus 2 times x times 3 plus y squared plus 2 times y times 7 equal minus 54 both sides, negative 54. Now complete the square by adding 3 square, 7 square, both sides. So we rewrite it x minus 3 square plus y plus 7 square, that equal 3 square equal 9, that 49, make it 58, subtract 54, you have 4, so that 2 square. Now rewrite one more time, x minus 3 square plus y minus negative 7 square equal 2 square. Why we have to rewrite a lot of time whenever we see the plus? Because this one have to be minus, right there. So that's why we have to rewrite it. So the center will be 3, comma, negative 7, and radius is 2. So 3, x equal 3, y equal negative 7, right here. Now radius of 2, so 2 units around that center. Thank you for participating in this video, and see you next time.